Okay, say hi. Today is July 17th. Mackenzie is 16 months old. Oh, she just got that open. And we are going to finger paint for the first time. You ready? Okay, so we're going to put down some finger paints here. Here. Ready? There's some red. Okay, wait. Here's some green. Here's some blue. What do you think? Wait, and we need some yellow. Nope, don't eat it. It's not food. Okay, now look, look, look. You do it. Yeah, go ahead. Smear it around. What do you think? Smear it around. Yeah, that's right. Go ahead. It's okay. Look. It's okay. Look. Yeah. Need a little more paint. Want some more red? Here. There's some red. It's all right. Smear it around. Here's a little more blue. Go ahead. Give it a good smear. Use your hands like this. Go ahead. Put your hands. Yes, Mackenzie. Look. Put your hand in like that. Yeah. Does it feel good? Hey, what do you think? Okay, do it on the paper. Look. Look. You do it. Yeah, that's it. Rub it in good. Not on your skin. Yeah. Do you like this? Yeah? You want to do another one? Okay, hold on. Say bye, everyone. Can you say bye-bye?